Introducing Project Suzie Q, a truly bespoke ECD Defender 110, masterfully crafted to reflect our client's unique vision. Finished in a radiant full-gloss Eastnor Green, this one-of-a-kind build is accented with sleek black detailing and poised on 18-inch Sawtooth wheels, wrapped in BFG all-terrain tyres, ensuring it looks as commanding as it drives. Designed to blend heritage with strength, Suzie Q features a classic front bumper with daytime running lights, a bold 6-point full external roll cage, and tubular side steps that elevate both form and function. Inside, timeless elegance meets custom craftsmanship. The cabin is anchored by an Evander wood steering wheel and classic white gauges, while Corbeau Trailcat front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row bench, and custom rear jump seats with a full bench provide a tailored seating configuration. Every seat is hand-trimmed in horizontal Garrett Bellissimo Annis leather, meticulously stitched in sumac, a rich, refined contrast. Under the hood, power meets performance with a GM LS3 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering a smooth yet commanding drive. Modern luxury is integrated throughout with a touchscreen infotainment system, featuring JL audio, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and seamless USB connectivity. Project Suzie Q is more than a custom Defender. It's a singular expression of taste, adventure, and exclusivity. Build yours today.